Hi, Mike with Mike's Carburetor Parts. In this video I'm going to show you how to take out and replace a cleanout plug. This is an example of a cleanout plug, a little bigger than this one. But you see the head is a lot bigger than the shaft. The small part of the shaft, the bottom part, goes into the hole and then it steps up a little bit. It's got to get squeezed in there so it doesn't leak. The way I usually take them out is with a chisel and just kind of work around it easily. They usually come out without any problem unless somebody's put glue or something on them. I think it's loose. Okay, there you go. So that's the plug. You see the shaft at the bottom is smaller than the hole, and then the next step up is the hole size. Now when you look for these on our website, that's what you're looking at. When we sized these, we sized them all the size of the hole. So if your hole is let's say 3/16 in diameter, then that's what you want to find is a plug that we have marked as a 3/16. Now to put it in, that small end will slip down into the hole just like that, and you see it's not in all the way. Then you just take your hammer and smack it a little bit and it goes in. That's all there is to it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to take out this expansion plug here, and or cleanout plug, whatever you want to call it. Now it's got a dimple right in the middle, so what I'm going to do is drill a hole in it. And that's just about all it took on this one. Okay, they're usually in a little tighter than this one is. So there's a hole. I don't drill too hard. Don't press too hard on your drill. You might damage something underneath. You just want to get through this little plug here. And then you just take something to pry it out. Make sure you blow all the excess out. And then you want to size the hole, measure the hole, the diameter. So this looks like 1/2 inch. And don't measure about. It's got to be exact. Use your calipers with the decimal size. I get all this, so it's about 1/2 inch. Oh no, that don't work. You got 1/2 inch, and then you got they get down to the 64th sometimes. So now I've got some plugs. See, I should have seen which one went in this, which I will do here. Okay, so I measured the hole. It's 1/2 inch. I got these. I got this plug here, which is 1/2 inch. Our part number is 85D as in Delta 58. Find that on our website at mikescarb.com. That's MIKESCARB.com. Okay, so it's called 1/2 inch. See, it sits right in there. Now you need to expand it. You want to take a drift punch like this and hit it in the middle, and that spreads it out. That's all it takes, see? It's not loose, okay? That's all you have to do. So in general, these things usually don't have like vacuum to pull, so you don't have to worry too much about leakage. So there you go. That's an expansion plug. All right? So we appreciate your business. Go to mikescarb.com and find all kinds of parts that you didn't think you could get. Okay, thank you for watching.